You're in the middle of shooting, you'll notice the spent casings are kind of almost just barely dropping out of the firearm, whereas they should be ejecting out. Two of the most common issues with that, both fairly simple to fix. One, just a good cleaning, making sure the firearm's not sticking. Or B, you'll need a new recoil spring, which is simple as well. Well, that about sums it up. Take her out and go pop off a few rounds, see how it feels. Thanks for watching.